Now, you may think, okay, what motivates the firms to go for sustainability reporting? And there are several. First of all, and it can help organizations to make high quality decision when they are not only thinking about their profit making, which can often be short term in nature, but if they incorporate the sustainability issues in their decision making, that can enhance their policies and can improve both financial and environmental sustainability. It can help strengthen risk that can come from climate, environment, people, and governance issues. Uh, Sustainability reports can improve operational efficiency and performance, because if you are also looking into how you can use a more sustainable approach in your business, that can often lead to better operational and financial performance. And you can also optimize your resources by looking into more or better alternatives. And finally, you might be able to improve employee morale, because you never know, your employees might also be interested and might feel motivated to contribute toward sustainable development goals. And you might, as a firm, recognized by external stakeholders that you actually focus more not only on financial but non-financial objectives which integrate sustainability in your operation. You might be able to attract more high qualified talents for your businesses in the future. In terms of external motivation, you can see that a firm can actually strengthen their stakeholder relationship by communicating their sustainable initiatives, can enhance accountability and transparency, because you are now giving more and more information about the company initiative toward SDGs and ESGs. So it can improve accountability and transparency. And also, people will start to trust that this firm is actually trying to do something for the environment, not only looking for their profit making initiatives, which is going to bring both organizational reputation, trust, and enhance public trust and confidence for a business.